Hello. So today we're going to be going into Scratch. Okay, so you should have already created your account. I'm going to create. So this is where you're going to be doing your coding right here. So I'm going to delete this sprite and change my background into a forest. Now I want to add a different sprite. Well, I can just choose a sprite and search for one. I want to have a bear. And you can see there's different ones, but I want a grizzly bear. Now to get your sprite to move, you're going to have to use these codes right here. Look, sound, events, controls, sensing, operators, variables, and then my blocks. So I want to move this bear 10 steps. See that? Now, if you want to have your bear move more further away, you can change your steps. And then I want to add a different animal. What do I want? I want another forest animal. Maybe a bat? I can have this up here. Bring him down here. Now, if you pay attention, this is right here. This is showing which sprite you're wanting to move. If you click on your bat right down here, it shows that little image. Now your bat can also move 10 steps. Now let's go to our where is it? Our events. So move 10. So now when I click this green flag, it should move. Let's bring him back. And it should be the same for him. Okay. Now if you can play around with it a bit, see what there is. But to get these codes going, you need to have them together. Well, let's add something else. Like this one. I really like that one. Okay. Now for your assignment, your job will be to create something like this. You should create a short animation using the code. Must have 2 sprites, so that's going to be your 2 characters like I have right here. Must have a background, so you saw here your thing is going to be called a stage. At least 3 motions. 3 motions per sprite. And then must have a green flag clicked event. So what I did right here. It must have one extra code not already listed. So for each of your sprite, you're going to have an extra code. So that could be anything from looks, sound, another event, another control, sensing, operators, anything. Good luck!